In this 7-day course, you'll learn how to install, update and configure Ubuntu, as well as use and customize the desktop. This course will teach you to install software and hardware and use apps for music, video, photos and gaming. Finally, we'll get inside the Linux system by using the terminal. Ubuntu uses open source software including the Linux kernel to make up its free-to-use computer operating system. Open source means anyone can view and edit the software, which allows computer users freedom from expensive software licenses like those from Microsoft and Apple. Linux in general is a high-demand skill to add to your resume or CV and will help you stand out from the competition. In many cases, Linux is faster than other operating systems and doesn't suffer from lots of viruses. Using it on your home computer gives you extra peace of mind from cyber attacks and data breaches. Lastly, Linux is a breath of fresh air because it's developed by a worldwide community.